Everyone has a different personality, and my friends have totally unique ones, just like this new launched Dio perfume by Bella Vita Luxury. Just look at the limited edition packaging and the names. Just by reading these, I can relate to my friends' personalities, and they're just for Rs 299. First is the Fire Dio perfume. This is for the hottest person of your group. For me, it's that friend who's always on fire. On a side note, I love this fragrance in that it is unisex. Next on the list is Stud Dio perfume for men, and it's definitely for that Mr. Popular. For me, it's that friend who always feels like a stud, and this is super long lasting too. Last is the Deosin, the devil of the group, but the one with whom you have the most fun. This one has to be that friend who's always doing the sins. I bought these for my friends as they're anyways crazy for cricket, so they for sure love it. Also, there is buy one get one offer on all these deodorants, which means in just $299 you get two deodorants. Go buy them now and comment down your favorite deodorant.